Barbie is in the Maldives and let the vacation go at the most brilliant level. For the first idea, you will need a cardboard box. Glue it over with a blue fabric. Use the usual Elmer's glue. Tighten the fabric wall to create a kind of trampoline from the fabric. Now take 4 disposable cups. Use a hot glue gun to attach the cups to the box. Cut a bright photo frame into pieces. Fasten the sticks to the corners of the box. Glue the roof made of dense cardboard. Decorate with a canopy from thin white fabric. Cut the curtains. Tie them to the columns with ribbons. Now the dolls have a personal bungalow of increased comfort. A chill-out zone with an ocean view? What else can you dream of? And now take a hand cream and plastic droppers. Cut off the thin tip. Cut off the edge from one of the droppers. This will be the cap. Press down on the dropper to make the bottom flat. Use a syringe with a needle. Fill the dropper with cream. Take a glossy acrylic paint. Paint the dropper in orange. Write the name of the sunscreen. And if the sun is a source of happiness and warmth, the protective cream is a 100% guarantee of a safe tan. For another idea, you will need a hot glue gun that doesn't work. Remove the metal holder. Take a small piece of plastic, cut an oval out of it. Glue it to the holder. Decorate the mask with a thin, shiny adhesive tape. Attach a straw to the side. Now Barbie has a glamorous diving mask. Your beautiful doll will easily conquer the underwater world with such a mask. Coral fish, keep it together! For this life hack, you need fluffy clay and a piece of plastic. Attach a piece of blue clay to Barbie's feet. Paste it over her toes. Cut 2 such details out of plastic. Fasten them to the clay. Make figured swim fins out of pink clay. Fasten a strap on each leg. Wow! The doll just loves her bright swim fins! Well, come on! Who's going to dive deeper? And for this life hack, take a plastic folder for papers. Insert a paper heart. Iron it through the parchment. Cut the folder to the shape of the template and take out the heart. Stuff the workpiece with a synthetic padding. Solder the edge with the iron. Mold a curved neck from fluffy clay. Fasten a black beak. Glue the eyes. Attach the neck and the head of the flamingo to the purple heart. Carve figured wings out of shiny Foamiran. Fasten the wings on both sides of the flamingo's neck. These beautiful pink birds are still so trendy. Flamingo for swimming will add tropical colors to your vacation and will not allow Barbie to get bored for a second. A spectacular picture from the pool will add popularity to her doll Instagram. For the next idea, take the nozzle from a laser flashlight. Knead white modeling clay and stick it to the nozzle. Attach a layer of brown clay on top. Wrap it in yellow. Put some pink clay inside. Cut off a piece from a paperclip. String a bright bead on it. Insert the straw with the decor into the coconut. Fruit pina colada for Barbie is ready. A sweet cocktail inside a coconut will give the doll a festive mood and let her taste the paradise. For this idea, you will need 2 plastic pallets. Cut out such details. Take a sheet of straws in an individual package. Attach the straws to the base with a hot glue gun. Glue additional details resembling a sharp fin in shape. Decorate the lounge chairs with chenille sticks. Attach them around the perimeter with hot glue. Perfect bending of the lounge chair for Barbie's perfect shape. The vacation just got really chic. For this idea, you need 4 thick straws. Connect them in pairs. Cut off the excess. Take the laundry bag. Cut out a rectangular piece from it. Use the hot glue gun to glue the straws to the net. Now take wooden spatulas. Attach them as a base. Decorate the net with a twig with exotic flowers. Roll up a ball from fluffy clay. Draw flowers with a permanent marker. The net for ball games is ready. Today, Barbie will take part in beach volleyball competitions. Girls, catch the ball! And for the next life hack, you will need disposable surgical masks. Cut off the elastic bands. Glue the masks together using the hot glue gun. Now take decorative scotch tape of different colors. Alternating colors, fasten the strips of adhesive tape to the mask. Done! It turned out a striped towel for the beach. When Barbie gets tired of laying on a lounge chair, she always has a backup option: to spread the towel and lounge on the soft, hot sand. And now take 2 paper cups. Cut out the bottoms with a paper knife. Cut off a 1 centimeter strip from one of the cups. Now you need twine. Apply a drop of hot glue in the center of the cardboard circle. Attach the tip of the rope. Wind the twine around like this. Make 2 such work pieces. Cover the cardboard strip with twine too. Fasten round sidewalls with the hot glue gun. Glue the rope. The bag in country style is ready. Barbie will put everything she needs to rest by the sea in it. As you can see, the fashionista even planned her beach look, including the smallest details. And this time you are going to need a zip pack, stripes of Foamiran, and straws for drinks. Insert the Foamiran in the zip pack. Cut off the excess. Pour a little glitter in the package. Protect the edges with parchment and iron it. Glue a clothespin in the middle. Attach plastic sticks to the edge. Glue the straws. Make a ladder, adding flat steps. Cling the clothespins to the edge of the pool. Barbie rolls down the slide directly into the water. Adult dolls like children's entertainment too. Long live the aqua fun! And now let's take the chopsticks. You will need 4 of those. Glue the sticks together at an angle. Use a hot glue gun. Break off a small piece of a stick. Glue it as a crossbar. Next, take thin wooden skewers. Fasten them between the bases with hot glue. Take a brush and acrylic paint. Paint a wooden frame in pink color. Cut off the extra from the metal hanger. Bend it with the help of pliers. You will only need this part. To be more precise, 2 such parts. Next, you will need a mesh laundry bag. Cut out a rectangular piece from it. Glue the metal work pieces at the edges. Use the hot glue gun. Bend the edges of the fabric. Attach hooks to the crossbars on the frame. It remains to decorate it with flowers, and the hammock is ready for rest. The traditional hammock under the palm tree is a must in the Maldives. It's so cozy to lie in. For the next idea, take a piece of hard plastic and acrylic paints. Cut the cardboard template to the specified dimensions. Make a small fin pattern. Using a box cutter, go over the templates. Cut them out and trim the edges to remove the jagged parts. Glue the fins. Paint the board with acrylic paints. Draw blue waves. Decorate them with white foam. Don't forget to write the name so that everyone in the hotel knows who their most brave surfer is. To save the drawing in the water, varnish the board. The surfboard is ready! Well, where are the highest waves here? And for this idea, you will need pieces of a wooden skewer, a Lego part, and foil. Glue the sticks at the corners of the Lego part with a hot glue gun. Wrap the resulting frame in foil. Make a cover to size from a piece of foil. Decorate the box with colored tape. Now Barbie has a mini fridge for the beach, cold drinks, and fresh food. What else do you need at the sea? Everything else is just unimportant in such heat. Did you like our life hacks for Barbie's vacation? Which of these ideas will you repeat for your doll? Write about it in the comments under the video. Put a like on it, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to click on the bell so that you don't miss even more of the bright ideas for Barbie from Troom Select.